Hi, this is Christina coming to you from sunny California and my kitchen corner. And today I would like to share with you something that I have been thinking of while I was at the 99 cents only store. And I have been watching a lot of people hauling decorative straws, and they can become very pricey. And then I noticed that I bought these in the summer, and I had them out each time we get together with the family. And the kids, they really don't care for these paper ones. They go more for the colorful ones. And I always keep straws on hand, because when I give my nieces and nephews a drink, I like to give them a straw because it makes them feel special, a little fancy drink. And so I always have them on hand. And I wanted to share this package, and it comes with 200 flexible straws, and these are like very colorful. They're orange, they're green, they're blue, yellow. And I took them out the last gathering that we had, and I pulled aside all the blue ones, and there was 42 of those blue. So I mean, you get a big bang for your buck, because these came out to 2 for 1 penny or 1 cent. And these are also come out to 2 of them for 1 cent. And these come out to 2 cents a piece, because these are the bigger ones, the big thick ones. And there's only 50 to this package, and I got it at the 99 cent store. And these are 200, and this is a package of 200. So I just wanted to show you how I find them at the store, and then I sort them out. So stay tuned. I'm quite happy with my results with my little experiment here. I was able to fill 7 cups of assorted colors. I was able to get the stripe, the solids, and then the thicker green. And the same for the yellow, the orange, the red. And then I was able to fill 2 containers of blue, and these are 2 different kind of blues. One is a lighter blue where you can almost see right through it, and the other one is more of a solid, thicker blue. And I would have had some more of the striped straws, but I had already started using them. And so for $3 I was able to get 450 straws, and I'm thinking that is a very good deal. We're going to be using these for my niece's birthday party. Not all of them. I'm just going to be putting out a few. And I'm thinking I'm going to use these for Easter maybe. And then maybe I'm going to use these for 4th of July. I know I will not be buying any more straws anytime soon. And so these are going to be for decorative use and for real use. Okay, so I hope that this enlightens you to buy the straws for a lot cheaper at the 99 only store or the Dollar Tree. Okay, bye.